Hello guys, and welcome to a windy Saturday. The tropical storm, I think Hannah, just passed Corpus Christi. I'm in Houston, so we're just getting the outer bands right now. But today I will be ricing out my wife's car. I don't know why, but I feel like it. I bought me a one of these rubber skirt for the front lip, anyway, like a front bumper lip. And I really like the Acura OEM's body kit, but they're so freaking expensive. Like for the two fronts, it's like I think the canards or whatever, like 250 bucks or something. And then the side skirt and the rear spoiler. The rear spoiler, I riced it out as well too. I put like one of them cheap fake carbon fiber rubber strip on it, but it looks pretty nice though. I like it. I really like the OEM spoiler, but I'm cheap. Money is tight nowadays, and this is the carbon fiber looking like kind of deal. And they gave me some stuff in here. Can't read this. I think it's the language in Thailand, I believe. I don't know. And they gave me 4 tapping screws, and then a alcohol pad, and this little decal right here. It's the samurai, where you can slap it onto your front lip right here on step number, whatever it's called, step number 9. But I don't want to do that. Let's just see what it looks like first. So what I did right there is I made a little cut right here, so I can like turn it around, you know. Now, does that look riced out or what? I don't think the 3M tape's gonna stay on that long. Doesn't look even, huh? Because that side is more pushed in. I'm gonna try to get that side out more. Well, what do you guys think? Yes? No? Let me know. It's just a temporary on to see what a car looks like with a front lip. Should I just invest in the real one instead? Alright guys, take it easy.